Hello YouTube, welcome to another tutorial from How To's. Today we will be claiming the 30 ringgit from Boost with the eTunai Rakyat program. This tutorial assumes that you have your Boost installed. Click on the top right corner for the basic tutorial for Boost. The first step is to get your Boost account verified. To do that, click on top right corner of the Boost app. Next, click on Upgrade to Premium Wallet. Click on Upgrade Now. You will need to provide your IC and your video selfie. Choose I am a Malaysian. Proceed with the verification of your documents. It should take 1 to a few days for your account to be verified. You can start claiming the eTunai Rakyat program once your account is verified. Click on eTunai Rakyat to start the claim process. Do read the terms and conditions to check whether you are qualified to get the eTunai. Click on Submit Claim to claim your eTunai. Next, feel free to use our invitation code. Your eTunai submission has been completed. Your eTunai will be transferred to your account within a few days if you are qualified. Feel free to like and subscribe if the video has been informational to you. Thank you and have a nice day.